To factory reset a Philips Hue Sync Box, follow these steps. First, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Then release it. The LED light on the sync box will begin flashing, indicating that the reset process has started. Wait until the LED light changes to a solid white, which confirms that the reset was successful. Alternatively, you can use the Philips Hue app to reset the sync box. Open the app. Navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon on the home page, and select the Hue Bridge option. Choose your Hue Bridge from the list of available options. Then tap on the Advanced Settings option, followed by the Factory Reset option. Confirm that you want to start the factory reset process. If the reset is successful, the LED light will be solid white. By following these steps, you can easily factory reset your Philips Hue Sync Box.